to prepare. Oh, geez. Another one? Who's this time?
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Virginia, Central Virginia, Blue Ridge, Northern Virginia, Blue Ridge. High wind warning in effect from noon Sunday to noon Monday. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour.
Central Virginia Blue Ridge and Northern Virginia Blue Ridge, meaning WUSQ, maybe WAIW, might be going off this time. No. Not even them? Seriously?
Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower level of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and limbs. Use caution if you must drive.
Holy cow. Alright, is that going to be it from Sterling? I honestly really hope so.